Hi students, today we are going to I am going to explain this potential energy significance, electrical potential energy significance. So significance of electric potential energy. Let us consider this charge Q, which is placed at O at a distance R. The electric potential energy to bring a charge from infinity, this is infinity, to bring a charge up to the point Q, to bring a charge Q here, let it be a test charge. To bring here, the amount of work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So this work done to bring between, as we studied that this work done this bring this charge Q from infinity to the point R is stored in the form of potential energy, that we arrived expression 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. We have already arrived this expression. So this work done is stored in the form of, this can also be written as potential at a distance R into Q. So we arrived already this expression. So let us consider two points A and B, which are closely separated by distance R. So work done to bring this charge from A to B by the external field. So work done to bring A to B by the external field is, work done is integral F into dr. This is external work done to bring a charge Q naught from A to B. A to B are closely separated by distance dr, that is from infinity to the point between A and B. So we have to bring this one, A and B. This is equal to external electric field is, external force is opposite to the field. Because of this charge, the field will act in this direction. So field will be in this direction. So we are doing work against the field. So to bring that one, this charge without acceleration, that means to bring that charge slowly from A to B, you should apply equal amount of force that is applied by this field. So the field applied by the field, let it be, that is field applied by the electric field into dr. This field applied by the electric field is in this direction. So we are bringing from A to B. So that we have to put minus A to B. That is, this force applied by this electric field, this is force applied by the electric field. Since this electric field, we have this electric field is a conservative field. So this electric field, a force F is said to be conservative. This is conservative force. If F is a conservative force, then it satisfies, if F is a electric field is a conservative force, then it satisfies F is equal to minus du by dr. That is, so we have, this is the f into dr. So you cross multiply this one, integral f into dr is equal to du. That is minus integral f dr, that is equal to change in its potential energy to bring A to B, is equal to change in its potential energy. So we have to write, instead of this expression, this is electric field. Electric field is a conservative field. So instead of this, we are writing change in its potential energy. So we can write it as work done to bring A to B is equal to change in its potential energy, that is du. Change in its potential energy, this is equal to du. Du means, what is du? Du is change in its potential energy, that is potential energy at B minus potential energy at A. So this is the physical significance of this electrical potential energy. That is, so we convert this change in its potential energy. What is UB? Potential at B. What is U? A, potential energy at A. Potential energy at A. What is UB? Potential energy at B. So change in its potential energy. What is du? Change in its potential energy. Change in its potential energy. That is final minus initial. So this is work done by the external field. Work done by the external force, external agency. External agency. Work done to move a charge from A to B is equal to change in its potential energy. This is the significance of this potential energy. The absolute value of potential energy has no significance, but change in its potential energy, it is equal to work done. That is the physical significance of this potential energy. This is, suppose you want work done by the field. Work done by the field. By the field you want. Work done by the field means this is external agency. Work done by the field, you want, F represents field, that is minus of work done by the external agency. This is work done by the field. Work done by the field is equal to minus of work done by the external agency. So to change the configuration or to change the potential energy between the 2 points, that is potential energy between B and A, it is equivalent to work done to move a charge from A to B. This can also be written as, we can write it as, so this expression we can also write it as work done to move A to B, we can also write it as to move the charge Q into potential at B minus potential at A. Thus we can also write like this. So both expressions are equivalent. Here one more point, you have to notice what is that. This work done, this electric field is a conservative field. So what is this? Electric field, I will write here. Electric field is conservative field, conservative in nature. Electric field is conservative field, conservative field. That is, this work done to move A to B is independent of path, independent of path. That is, here A to B, you may have different paths. Suppose to move A to B, this is the path 1. You can move like this, path 2. You can move A to B like this, like this. This is path 3. So work done to move a charge Q in the field, electric field E, from A to B is independent of path taken by the charge. That we have work done in the path 1 is equal to work done in the path 2, that is equal to work done during the path 3. So work done in this path and second path, both paths are same and they are equivalent. It is independent of path. So it depends on what? Only initial and final states of this potential energy. So it is independent of path taken. And one more point, work done to move in a closed path, that is A to B and again A, closed path is 0. So these are the points we have to notice. Once again I will conclude. This electric field is a conservative field. What is a conservative field? A force is said to be conservative, then it satisfies F is equal to minus du by dr. This is the first point. Second point, this work done to move A to B is equal to change in its potential energy, and work done by the field is minus of work done by the external field, external agency, and work done by the field is depends on the path and independent of depends on independent of path. It depends on only initial and final states. That is the physical significance of this potential energy. Okay, next point. The next one, the potential energy of a system of charges, system of two charges in external field, potential energy of system of two charges in an external field. Let consider two charges. Let Q1, Q2 be the charges be the charges, point charges located at position vectors r1 and r2. Located at position vectors r1 bar and r2. r1 and r2. In an external field E. In an external field E. Okay. So to bring a charge, let field will be here, uniform field assume, or this field may be non-uniform. So to bring a charge q1 to the position vector r1, which is located at r1 in this field, to bring this q1 in this field from where? From infinity. So we are assumed that infinity. To bring that charge from infinity to this position vector r1 is stored in the form of potential energy. That is work done. So I will write here work done to bring q1 to r1 in the field that is, we know that work done is equal to the potential at r1 into charge. So charge q1 into potential at r1. So from the earlier expression we have potential energy is equal to charge into potential. So here which formula we are using? Potential energy is equal to, I am using charge potential energy. I am using this formula. Potential energy is equal to charge into potential, electric potential. I am using this formula. Okay. Potential energy is equal to charge into electric potential. So to bring this charge q1 from infinity to up to this point r1 is stored in the form of potential energy. That is, that work done is charge into potential at here r1. Next one is work done to bring q2. Here against the field, first we have to bring, there are two things here. First one is against the field, against the field we have to do certain work. That work done is q2 into charge into potential at r2. Okay, at this position let it be q2 will be here, its position vector let it be r2, which is located at r2. They are separated by a distance, let it be r12. They are separated by a distance. Now work done to bring q2 against the field is, against the external field is this much, same formula, against, and also this one is also opposing, field is opposing, q1 is also opposing. So against q1 it is also exert certain force. So against this one is also you have to do certain work. So against the field, against the field due to q1 due to Q1 is is potential due to this Q1 here. What is potential? Some constant K, Q1 by R12, that is separation from here to here. This is potential due to a point charge into Q2, charge Q2. So here is also I am using the same expression as this, Q2 into charge into potential. Potential, this is potential due to, I will write here, charge into potential. I will write the same expression. Charge is Q2 to bring Q2, potential due to Q1 here. What is that? Some constant K, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught due to Q1 by R12. So this is also equal to K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by separation 1 2 between 1 and 2. So I want to bring this Q1 and Q2 in the external field. So I want a total work done. So from principle of superposition, that is you have to add total work done is equal to total work done to bring for what? To bring Q1 and Q2, to bring Q1 at R1, Q2 at R2 against the field, against the field, external field, is you have to add total work done. This work done plus this work plus this work, total. So that is Q of V at R1 plus Q2 V R2 plus this work done, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. So this work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So this is potential energy of this configuration. Potential energy of this configuration. What is configuration? To bring Q1 and Q2 separated by distance R12 in an external field. To keep these charges Q1 and Q2 separated by distance R in an external field, we have to done this much of work that will be stored in the form of potential energy. Okay. So what we discussed here, potential energy of a system of two charges in an external field. Okay. Let us see, I will explain with this certain examples. Okay. Determine example. Determine potential energy of a system of two charges. System of two charges. Two charges, 7 microcoulombs and minus 2 microcoulombs with no external field. With no external field. Placed at minus 9 centimeters 0 0 and 9 centimeters 0 0 respectively. So this is the problem number 1. A. B. How much work is required? How much work is required to separate them? Separate them. Charges, separate them away. Bracket lo, in brackets, infinitive. So how you should separate them? Infinitive. Away means infinitive. Separate them away. That means infinitive. From each other. From each other. This is the second question. Third question. Suppose same system of same charges, same system placed in external field. E is equal to A into 1 by R square. That is the field. Where A is 9 into 10 power 5 coulomb meter to the power minus 2. What would be the electrostatic energy? What would be the electrostatic energy? Potential energy of the configuration. So this is the problem. Okay. First one is determine the potential energy of system of two charges. So there are two charges. I will write here. There are two charges. 7 microcoulombs minus 2 microcoulombs are placed at minus 9 centimeters. Let it be x-axis, origin plus 9 centimeters. So they are separated by a distance 18 centimeters. So this is R12. Okay, 18 centimeters. Now, what is the work done? What is the potential energy of the system? So potential energy, there is no external field. So potential energy of the system is, so for the answer for the A is potential energy is equal to, we have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. So we have this expression when there is no external field. So that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 into Q1 Q2, 7 micro into 2 micro into micro, 10 power minus 12, because 1 micro is 10 power minus 6, micro into micro, 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 6, it will become 10 power minus 12 by separation between them 18 centimeters. Centimeters you convert into meters, 10 power minus 2. So you will get meters. So 2 into 9, 18 get cancelled, that is you bring to the numerator, it will become 9 plus 2, 11, 11 minus 12 minus 1. So that is 0.7. 0.7. Potential energy is in joules. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Okay, this is the answer for the A, written here. Now how much, second one, how much work is required to separate them? So we want B, this work done to separate them. That means initially they are in this configuration, initially they are placed here. To separate them, how much work should be required? How much work should be required? Because they are attracted with each other with a certain force. So to separate them, you have to need certain work to separate them to infinity. So that work done to separation R to infinity. So you have to change, they are separated from R, initially R12, they are separated to infinity. So work done is, to separate R to infinity is, so by external agency, is change in its potential energy. As I said, work done is equal to change in its potential energy. So potential energy at infinity minus, this is here Q1 Q2, Q2 is minus, so here you will get minus. Okay, here Q2 is negative, so here you will get minus 7. So that is, and the potential energy at separated R, R12, when they are separated by distance R, that is R12. So that is potential energy infinity. When they are separated by infinity, there is no interaction between them. So the potential energy at infinity, we take it as 0 minus, when they are separated by R, the potential energy is minus 0.7. So minus of minus plus, that is 0.7 joules. So this much of work should be done for what purpose? To separate them away from each other, separate them to infinity away from each other. So this is the answer for B. Now answer for C. Okay, answer for C. Suppose the same system is placed in an external field. So we have to do what would be the electrostatic energy. So in this field you have to done work done to bring a charge infinity. This charge 7 coulombs, let it be Q1, let it be Q2. So to bring this Q1 from infinity against the field, so the field will be here, that is defined as A into 1 by R square. So already external field is there. To bring this charge Q1 in this field, you have to do work against the field. So that field against the work, we have to write, I will write work done. This is the answer for C. Solution for C. Work done, this is work done to bring Q1 from infinity to position vector R1, that is 9 centimeters. This is R1. This one is placed at R1. This is placed at R2. This is R2. These coordinates, I take it as, this one is R1, this I consider as R2. Okay. So this is R1 position, this is R2 position. So work done to bring Q1 from infinity to R1 against the field. Against the field. So how do you calculate this? I will erase this one. So this work done is what we have against the field, that is integral external field into dr from infinity to R1, that is external field is minus of field applied by the force applied by the field into dr minus from infinity to R. This field applied by the force applied by the field is, I will write here. So that W is equal to Q into F is equal to EQ. So that is charge Q1 into integral E F is equal to EQ into dr, E bar dot dr, ER bar dot dr, that is from infinity to R. That is E bar dot dr. What is E? E is defined as A into 1 by R square. So Q1 A R square. So integral dr by R square, that is from infinity to R1. So this is minus. So integral dr by R square is, we have integral dr by R square is how much? Integral dr by R square from infinity to R is how much? Minus 1 by R. Limits infinity to R. So after substituting the limits, you will get 1 by R, minus 1 by R. Here is already minus. So you will get minus of minus plus. So you will get Q1 A into 1 by R, 1 by R1. So this is work done. So what is this? I will write here. This is work done to bring Q1 from infinity to R1 against the field is this value. Similarly, to bring Q2 bring Q2 from infinity to R2 against the field, against the field, how much? Against the field, how much? Similarly we can do like this. So what you will get? Q2 A is constant, its value is given by this, by R2. To bring Q2 from infinity against the field, we have to do certain work. This one, Q1 is already bring in the field. So when you are bringing this Q2, this one is also opposes, field opposes, and this one is also opposes. So against the field, you have to done this much of work, Q2A by R2. Against this one, you have to do work. What is that? So work done to bring Q2 to R2 against the field of, against the Q1, against the field of Q1 produced by Q1. That is the meaning. So what is this? W is equal to, we have W is equal to charge into potential at R2 due to Q1, that is R2 due to Q2. So that is Q2 into, what is potential at R2 due to Q1? We have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. So separation between them. So this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. Okay. So we want a total work done. So I am erasing this one. AB are over. So we are doing C. So from principle of superposition, total work done, total work is in the field. This is first one, Q1A by R1 plus Q2A by R2 plus this one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. So this is total work done, that is Q1 Q2. So Q1 is, what is Q1? 7 microcoulombs, 7 micro 10 power minus 6. A, what is A value? 9 into 10 power 5, 10 power 5 coulomb meter to the power minus 2 by R1. R1 is 9 centimeters. Centimeters convert into meters, that is minus 2. Minus Q2 is negative. So minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 into 9 into 10 power 5, 10 power 5 by 9 into 10 power minus 2 plus this value. This value we already calculated. How much you got? 0.7, I think. We got that one. So, what is this value? You simplify this. Minus 6, it is minus, bring minus 4 plus 1, 9 get cancelled. So, you will get 70. Here 9 get cancelled. 2 minus 4 plus 20. This is minus 0.7. This is minus. Here it is minus. We got this minus 7. So what is this value? 50, 70 minus 20, 50 minus 0.7, 49.3 joules. This is total work done. That work done is nothing but potential energy of the system. Okay, clear this one? I explained with this. So, to bring this Q1 and Q2 in the field, in which field? It is defined as A into 1 by R square. That field already exists there. To bring this Q1, Q2 in the external field, total work done I calculated. That work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Clear? Next one. I will give one more example. Suppose there are 3 charges which are placed at the vertices of equilateral triangle. Q1 1 microcoulomb, Q2 let it be 1 microcoulomb, Q3 let it be 2 microcoulomb. They are placed at the vertices of equilateral triangle of side length 1 meter. Okay. Now, what is the potential energy of this system? Find potential energy. Potential energy. Find potential energy of the system. So this is the first question, A. So what is potential energy of the system? B. Find work done to bring minus 1 microcoulomb and placed at centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. In this triangle G. Okay, this is second question. This is second question. The third question is to change the configuration. find, third question is work done to separate them. D. Find work done to change the configuration. Of side 1 meter. To 2 meters. So here the three charges will be placed like this. Initial at the vertices of a triangle. I want change its configuration. Q1, Q2, Q3. 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. So this is the configuration 1, configuration 2. To change this configuration, how much work should be done? These are the problems you have. Now let us solve. The first one, potential energy of the system. So what is the potential energy of the system? So I will solve. A, potential energy of the system. So potential energy of the system is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by A plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by A plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 Q1 by A. So this is the potential energy of the system, initial potential energy. So let it be UI, initial potential energy of the system A. So you take common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Its value is, what is its value? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 power 9 by A. A is common. What is A? 1 meter into Q1 Q2 plus Q2 Q3 plus Q3 Q1. So we have this, that is 9 into 10 power 9 Q1 Q2 1 into 1. This is micro into micro 10 power minus 12. You take it is common into Q1 Q2 1 into 1 plus Q2 Q3 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 2 micro I take common 10 power minus 12. So what you will get, this is what you will get, 9 2 plus 1 4, this is 4 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 into 9 45 into 10 power minus 3. This is initial potential energy, joules. Okay, this is the answer for A, potential energy of the system. Find work done to bring minus 1 microcoulomb placed at the centroid of the triangle. So to bring this, when you place that, you can calculate like this. B, this is initial potential energy without this minus 1 microcoulomb. Okay, after this you find you find the potential energy of the system, that is final potential energy. Then you subtract final potential energy minus initial potential energy. Then we get work done to bring this charge from infinity to placed at the centroid of the triangle. So we will get. So how I will calculate the final potential energy. The final potential energy is when you bring this one. So you take all the combinations. So this 3 we will get, and along with this V. So this is 1. What is this distance? The centroid is at a distance. What distance? From the centroid is at what distance? This is A, this is A, this is 1/2. This will becomes A by 2. This one is A by root 2. A by root 2, I think. The centroid is at what distance? Centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. So this is let it be y. This distance y is this is A, this is A by 2. A by 2. So what you will get? A by 2 is this is A square minus A square by 4 root 3 A by 2 you will get. You divide into 3 parts. 1 unit is A by 2 root 3. 1 unit value. So this is 2 units. So 2 units value is multiply with 2. So you will get A by root 3. A is 1 by root 3. So centroid is at a distance r from the vertex. Let it be r. Let it be small r. This is small r. Distance of centroid from vertex, small r. So what is the small r value? Is 1 by root 3. So the final potential energy of the system, this initial plus this one. What is this? Between 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q1, let it be Q, this one, to bring Q1. So it is Q1 by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q2 by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 by R, because these 3 charges are at equidistance from vertex. Centroid is at equidistance R from 3 vertices. So this is final potential energy of the system. So that is, now we want work done to bring this one. Work done to bring this minus Q, this is Q, to bring Q value is minus 1 microcoulomb from infinity to R, that is potential energy at R minus potential energy at infinity, when they are at infinity. So that is UF, otherwise work done to bring this minus Q, that is to final position. So work done is final potential energy minus initial potential energy. So final potential energy of this minus initial potential energy. So that is, this is final, this is initial. So initial will get cancelled, this one. So what you will get, this one. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 9 into 10 power 9, I take common, Q is common. What is Q? Minus 1 microcoulomb, micro 10 power minus 6 into micro 10 power minus 12. So minus 12 by R. What is R? 1 by root 3. So the distance is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. R value, what is R value? 1 by root 3 meters we got, into, so this one I take is common. So what is left? Q1 plus Q2 plus Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. So I got this. Okay. So this minus and this initial get cancelled. So what you will get? This one is, so 9 root 3, 9 root 3, 9 root 3, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3, Q1 Q2 minus Q1 Q2 Q3, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, that is 4. 4 into 9, 36. So that is minus 36 root 3 into 10 power minus 3 joules. So this is the answer. So this is the answer for B. Find work done to bring minus 1 microcoulomb placed at the centroid of the triangle. This is the answer. Okay. Similarly, work to separate them. Find work done to change the configuration 1 meter to 2 meters. Use the same formula. So I will explain how to solve. For this, fourth one, first you write the initial potential energy without this. Then you write the final potential energy with this configuration. And you subtract final potential energy minus initial potential energy, as we did here. You get find work done to change the configuration from 1 meter to 2 meters. So you subtract final potential energy minus initial potential energy. You will get answer for this. This one and this one, as I explained, this is left to you. Left to you. That is work for you. Okay. So I will stop today. So what I explained today, significance of potential energy and the potential energy of the system of the charges in an external field. Okay. So this work done is, that is the physical significance of potential energy. Whenever you want work done, you are going to calculate change in its potential energy. That is the conclusion of this today's topic. Okay, physical significance. Thank you.